Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Peacock Way. In this project, I'm using mixed media paper and then I'm going to use this kind of like a geometrical kind of stamp, and I'm going to use that and archival ink. So first I'm going to stamp it on the page and then I'm going to add it on both the sides. This is like a simple project. Um, so I'm adding on little bit on different sides now. So now I'm going to dry it and then I'm going to use watercolor paints for the background. First I'm using this light blue color. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way you will not miss my videos as I post it. So I'm using this light blue color. Then I'm going to add lemon color. The lemon color is nice and bright. You can use distress oxide or even neocolor crayons for this. Um, Now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm going to use this stamp. I'm using water on the stamp and then I'm using this neocolor crayons. I'm trying different way of stamping it. This will give like a watercolor a look on this project. Now I'm going to dry this and then I'm going to use small tiny stamps. These are like us very tiny ones. Now I'm using number stamps. Then I'm going to now use this circle stamps and I'm going to put it on this paper and then I'm going to use that as elements in the project. So I just did the punch, but I think I had to cut it by using scissors. The circle stamp is slightly smaller than the round punch. So now I'm going to add some more elements. Then I'm going to add this focal point. It is from 49 Market. And I'm going to adhere the elements before adding the focal point. See, then I'm going to add the other small dies. This was like a leftover from the other project. So I'm adding in this project. So now I'm going to use the pen and do some outlining. This is like a Posca pen, and then I'm using that for outlining the elements. So now I'm going to stamp the coat. Sometimes it's hard to stamp using those acrylic block. So, but anyway, this finishes my project. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for taking some time and watching my videos. I will see you again. Bye.